Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google Ads, Facebook as a Bing Ad certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And in case if you need help with Google Merchant Center suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals suspensions, Google Business Profile suspensions disapprovals, or in case if you need help with Shopify website development, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, I'm here with an amazing case study regarding Google Merchant Centers being suspended for misrepresentation. Now, you may have seen that there have been many videos on my channel regarding Google Merchant Center misrepresentation, and we have been sorting out many videos. We do not even almost create all the videos for which we do the work, and we are doing the work in the bulk, and we are one of the pioneer when it comes to Google Merchant Center suspensions. And in case if you need our help, be it for misrepresentation, be it for counterfeit, be it for true false statement error, or pharmaceutical error, or medical reasons, or any other issue your GMC is suspended, me and my team can sort it out. So all you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. Now let's get back to this amazing case study. Just to let you know that I cannot show you almost all of the things due to the client privacy and confidential details of the client. However, I'm going to show you a few of the stuff so you guys have an idea on what's working well. So this was originally when the client provided us the GMC, they had 8 products being disapproved. Now, for those who don't know, we have been using a 160 plus checklist formula to sort out all of the Google Merchant Center suspensions, and the same strategy was being applied for this account as well. And you can see over here that the account has a misrepresentation over here based on information available about your business. There is reason to believe that customers are being misled on Google. Review the misrepresentation policy and make the changes to your merchant center and or online store. You can see over here that fix all setup policies that prevent your products from showing on Google. And you can see over here another misrepresentation error for the same. Now, after whenever there is a query like this, assign, we do 3 to 4 things. First of all, as a Google partner, we have a dedicated support. So what we do is we start doing a communication via Google on 3 ends: on the chat, on the email, and on the call, to make the process quicker and faster. Apart from this, there is a 2 to 3% team who is working on the audits of the website, and now there is a 1 to 2 developers who are working on sorting out all of the issues being they are being recognized. Sometimes what happens is that the client is interested in sorting out all the issues by themselves. I understand either can be true, so it may vary from scenario. And we also do test checkups on the website to see where there may be an error, there is triggering. We do the test checkout. We look around for the social media pages, links, we look around for backlinks, bad links. We look for Google Search Console errors. We look for the speed test. We look for grammar errors. We look for the images, we look for the content, we look for even for the alignment, we look for the information. Now sometimes what happens is the information is being wrong on the website and the information is being different on the Google Merchant Center, or sometimes the information is different on the social media and sometimes the information is different on the website. So you need to have the same email address, same timings, and there was a client where we were having different time zone on one page, and on another page there was a different time zone. So this all can cause misrepresentation. So Google is now very advanced, so you have to sort out mini to mini and basic to basic error everywhere to get it running and approved. So these are the products not being approved. You can see over here. So now I'm going to show you a few of the audits which were being done by the team. So one such audit is this over here. Some return needs to be clickable. Some we suggested, first of all, there was a placeholder on the website which needed to be fixed. Apart from this, we suggested adding testimonial CEO note, adding journey, connect this page with contact us page, shipping policy, highlight dates, time everywhere on the page, some basic changes over here as well, and response timing, business timing. So basic things were also being done over here, and simultaneously multiple audits were being done over here. So I think that I cannot show you almost everything due to the client privacy, but you can see over here the basic things which we are triggering, which we are checking out around and sorting out on the website end. This is one kind of an implementation over here. So see around how we are working around. And after this, after sorting out all of the issues, now if people may be asking, Google Business Profile, it's not compulsory but it's recommended, so you can do either of the thing. We also provide Google Merchant Center accounts as well. So sometimes what happens is that we may need to assign any Google Business Profile account with the client. So either of the thing can happen over here. And then you can see over here that we finally got this approval over here. Your products are showing on Google with 8 products being approved, and this is another one as well where you can see over here Again, I cannot show you the further things over here due to the client privacy, but you can see over here that the products are now being approved, and this is another amazing case study. Now, if you look around my YouTube, on other channels, we have sorted thousands of GMCs, Google Merchant Center. So we know what's working well. My team knows what's working well. You can talk us, you can have a communication, and you can hire us, and you can see the results yourself of how we are able to restore your Google Merchant Center account. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching this quick case study, and we look forward working with you in sorting out your Google Merchant Center account, local service ad suspensions, Google suspension, Google ad disapprovals, Google business profile suspensions, or even Shopify web development services. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. We look forward working with you. Take care and bye bye.